Ay mga karampa, mayroon dito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Meron pala sa China, pinapatay yung mga prisoner doon para kunin yung mga organ nila. So may mga ano sila dito, panawagan dito sila sa Copenhagen, Denmark para matigil na yung mga ginagawa dun sa China. Oh my God. Nakakatakot naman. Ayan o. Join us in ending forced organ harvesting in China. Ongoing killing of prisoners of conscience for their organs. Oh my God. Stop. Hiya, excuse me. Yeah, what is this one?
It's a traditional Chinese meditation. You know, it's called Falun Gong, also known as Falun Dafa. Their face.
So,
They don't give up their face.
so meaning to say in China,
Yes.
they still kill the prisoner
You-
for organ.
Of course, yeah.
Oh
Today-
my God.
Yeah, oh my God. It's terrible. It's horrible situation, you know. Yeah. We need everybody's support.